in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view what graphics card is installed on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You want to select the hamburger icon on the top left and then go down to Performance. And then if you do have a graphics card installed, it should appear over here on the side. You can go ahead and select it and read additional information about it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.